In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to divide numbers, whole numbers, and also decimals. And I'm going to teach you about exponents and power of 10. Okay, so if this problem says find the value, 52 divided by 10 to the 5, and then the next one we're going to do is 782.39 divide by 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so let's start. When you divide a decimal by a power of 10, the exponent tells how many places to move the decimal point. For division, we move the decimal point to the left. Okay, so this power will tell us to move the decimal over 5 times. We move the decimal over 5 times. Division tells you to move the decimal left. The exponent tells how many times to move the decimal. Okay, this is always the rule. So 52 has decimal at the end. This might look like a whole number, but all whole numbers have an imaginary decimal at the end. And we just take it and move it left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we fill in the empties with 0. Right? There wasn't anything here before, so you just fill them in with 0. So the answer to 52 divided by 10 to the 5 is 0.00052. Now let's do the next one. Okay, here's our exponent of 5, and we're going to move our decimal left because it's division, and we take this decimal and move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's the arrows that have done that 5 times. And we fill the empties with 0 again. So the answer to this problem, 782.39 divided by 10 to the 5 equals 0.0078239. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.